What's up everyone? So today we start in the video off at a place called Frendz Hostel in town. I think it's one of the highest buildings in town. We just came here for a bite to eat. So I got this veggie burrito here, really tasty. It's like black beans, tomato, cheese as well, really good. Carol got some veggie quesadillas.
Almost done with them.
Yeah, we don't know the price, but I'll write it down for both. I also got a San Miguel, my favorite Filipino beer. Carol got a banana shake. We have a rooftop pool, some people hanging out here. And it's a really big hostel, right? It's like 4 floors.
4 floors, many rooms.
Many rooms.
Yeah,
and
I think they have shared rooms and also private.
Yeah, and I think a lot of it is AC. I think it's like a high quality hostel. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And the best part is this view here. It's absolutely insane. So you have Cadlau out there, and then probably one of the best views I've seen of these cliffs in the background. Yeah, got an amazing view of that. I don't think I've seen it like that before. So definitely a great spot to come, right?
Yeah.
I think they have parties and stuff here as well at night, events.
Yeah, usually like normal times.
Yeah. Be my beer holder. Oh, we got a guy armed with a gun. Crazy guy with a gun. She's gonna shoot you. Armed and dangerous. Seems like a great hangout spot, right? It's a shame it's not sunny, but yeah, it seems awesome. Got some music as well. Amazing views. Beer. There you go.
I get a beer too. Have a good day, man. Have a good day.
Alright, you too. So we're heading out now. We were just hanging out with the other foreigners there. It's funny that we've been here a while, but we still meet so many foreigners that we've never met before, so we didn't really know any of those guys. And I'll just show you the hostel here quickly. So yeah, check it out. All these are rooms. I think the guy told us back there that it's 150 people max capacity. So yeah, here's some of the rooms. Looks like a pretty good hostel. But yeah, 4 floors I think. Pretty interesting place. So we've come to Vanilla Beach once again, or Las Cabanas, whatever you want to call it. And we just found out that they've closed McDonald's here. So we were kind of surprised by that. The guy said it's going to be closed for 6 months. So I don't know if that means they've accepted that there's not going to be tourism for the whole rest of the year. But that's how it seems. We thought McDonald's would be one of the places that could stay open, right?
Yeah, since it's a big brand, so...
And there was always people there.
Yeah, it was always full, or kind of full.
Yeah, there was always people. Pretty weird. And they also have a CrossFit now. Check it out, CrossFit gym. That just opened this week. So we actually came here because we're gonna do some snorkeling, and then we're gonna also use the kayak and watch the sunset. We haven't done that in ages, so we thought that would be pretty cool. And it's probably gonna be one of the last times we ever film Vanilla Beach. Maybe the last time we ever come here. So yeah, we gotta make the most of it while we're still here. Got some funky lounge music. Yeah. Copyright claim. Music everywhere today.
Party mode.
Party mode. Yeah, there seems to be some sort of event going on up there. So this is gonna be 100 per hour, just like last time. We're probably gonna get it for 2 hours, so 200. But it's kind of funny, we just realized we didn't bring our wallet, so when I come back, I guess Carol's gonna have to stay here. I'll have to ride back for like 10 minutes to get the wallet, and then we come back and pay. Amateur mistake.
The water is warm.
Yeah, I want cold water right now. It's absolutely boiling. Full on sun here. Man, there is some party going on here though. Check it out. I don't even have to add music to this vlog. So we've left the party back there. We're gonna do some snorkeling first. We've come at about 5 o'clock, I think it is. Sunset's only around 6:20, so we thought we'd give ourselves some time. And we snorkeled here before, but we didn't see much fish or anything around here. So we're hoping that little island over there has some good snorkeling, because yeah, there's loads of rocks and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan anyway. Beautiful sunny day today though. Look at that. It's not often in the rain season you get clear skies like this. Crazy. So you can see all the way out there is Pinagbuyatan, where we just kayaked in the last kayak video. Kind of looks close, but that's like 45 minutes away or something, maybe even more. And then on the right side, over there is Papaya Beach, our favorite beach around here, and Commando Beach, which I think we're gonna kayak to again, right?
Yeah, it's a Papaya Beach since we loved it so much.
Yeah, one last time.
Yeah.
And it's not too hard.
No, it's like 30 minutes, so yeah, we should go there.
So you remember in the first video I mentioned that there's a zip line. I don't know if you can see the line here. Goes all the way to the top of that hill. So even this spot we stopped at now, look at all those corals. Looks amazing down there. So we might even just go for a dip here and then at the island. Just gotta make sure I don't tip the kayak. I think it's hard to tip. We'll find out.
Okay, good luck.
Good luck not capsizing
Oh my god.
the kayak. Now I think if I go off the back.
Okay. Woohoo!
Loads of corals.
Yeah.
Get the camera.
Okay.
Alright, we're going under. So not many fish, but some amazing corals. Your turn.
Finally.
Alright, best get up at the back again. There we go. Yeah, so we just go in one at a time because we don't want the kayak to float away. We're pretty good swimmers, but yeah, I don't really want to swim that much. Really nice here though, just so peaceful floating around. Usually Vanilla Beach doesn't have that much waves because we're kind of in a bay, so yeah, just a really easy place to swim in. So these are the rocks that we wanted to snorkel around. Yeah, we'll see how it is. So we've got our anchor point here. Let's go for dive number 2. We put our paddles here. It was a lot better this part, right?
Yeah, a lot more fish.
Yeah, bigger variety.
Yeah.
And now we're just gonna set out there because, yeah, as you can see, pretty much sunset time right now. Sun's going behind the island hopping islands back there. Almost killed Carol. So just look how nice this looks right now. It's got the beautiful turquoise water here. Yeah, really nice orangey color. And yeah, now you just get the silhouette of all the awesome islands. We've only ever done this once before, right? A kayak in the sunset. Yeah, in the sunset in Goa in India. So I definitely recommend doing it if you can. Returning to the rave now. It's actually good that we went in the sea because there was no peaceful sunset on the beach today, right? That is some loud music. Alright, what's cooking? Good looking?
just the tofu sandwiches, the simple tofu sandwiches.
Yeah, this is gonna be our dinner today. So I'm having 2. Got some tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and you're making some pancakes too, right?
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
Pancakes.
And check the kitchen out, it's like a nipper hut. Yeah, so this is the nipper kitchen, same kind of wall, even the ceiling. It's the same kind of like bamboo thing. So usually a guest wouldn't be allowed in here, I don't think. This is just because of COVID, right? Just like all the other hotels. So we're able to use the kitchen and cook ourselves to save money, so yeah, that's good. Oh, you put olive oil on it.
Yeah, because we don't have butter, only margarine.
Margarine, yeah.
So I think this is healthier.
Definitely healthier. So as you saw, we fried the tofu quite a lot in soy sauce, and now we haven't put the vegetables on yet because we're gonna put the 3 sandwiches in this nifty little oven toaster here that we've been using.
To melt the cheese.
Yeah, to melt the cheese, and then we'll put the vegetables on after that. So I'm gonna close this video out now. Just gonna finish up eating this big juicy tofu sandwich. This is actually something we cook quite a lot because it's really quick and simple, especially when we go on our little day trips like today and we don't really want to be cooking for hours. So yeah, it's pretty good and pretty healthy also. So we're not sure where the next video is going to be from. Don't know if it'll be one from El Nido or if it's going to be in Sibalton, because we decided we're going to go back to Sibalton again. If you watch that video, it seemed like a cool, relaxed place, and yeah, there's probably some other stuff we can check out there. So in a few days we're going to be heading there for a couple of days. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see which video is next. But as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like to help support us. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.